to make an inverted U freehand. So this becomes the innermost curve of the rainbow. I am now using a painter's tape to stick over the drawn shape. Sticking the tape over curved lines can be a bit tricky, so take your time. To have a uniform width for all the curves, I have taken a small piece of cardboard and I've stuck a pencil to its one edge. Now using this cardboard, I am making more curves of the same width. Now that I have the desired number of curves, I am ready to paint. Here I am going with the grey, a teal, a lighter shade of mustard yellow and a pinkish orange. I have noticed that pulling out the painter's tape before it fully dries give a better result. So pulling them out. And here it is, our very own rainbow wall.
Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.